All right, hey guys. Today we're going to be looking at creating a piece of equipment. There's a few settings in here that we'll walk through, but let's jump in. Here we have a list of all of our organization settings. We're going to click Create Equipment Piece up here in the top right. Today we're going to create let's create a big paver. Let's say you have a small paver and a big paver. You want to charge them independently and estimate them independently. We're going to have a big paver here. Charge type is hourly or mileage. We'll start with hourly. So our hourly cost here, this goes into proposals based on your travel time, based on your on-stage time. We're going to multiply those hours by this rate that you put in here. So we're going to build this big paver at $55 an hour. There's a fuel surcharge if you wanted to tack on an extra dollar amount for this equipment. Anytime it's added to a proposal, we're going to tack on an extra $100. In this case, I'm going to leave this as 0. And then on-job use rate. So if you have a job where you have a piece of equipment where you take that equipment to a job, but it sits for a period of time on the job, it's not used the entire time on the job, then you could bill a percentage of the total on-job time versus the entire thing. So if you have a skidster that is used 30% of the time to pick up piles, to move things, right, you can type 30% in here. And then if a job is 10 hours long, we're only going to bill that skidster at 3 hours. And this is all configurable within the proposal itself. But within here, you can define a default amount to bill that piece of equipment. Typically a paver, when it's on the job, it's running. And so I'm going to put 100% in here. And we're going to bill every hour that job is estimated. We're going to bill that paver. And then go ahead and hit create. There's another option in here. I'm going to click into this F550 where it says mileage. So through our Google Maps integration, just like we calculate the round trip travel time automatically for you, we'll calculate mileage as well. What is the distance between your yard where you're dispatching crews and the job? And that mileage can go into calculating the cost per mile for this piece of equipment. So let's say we're going to bill 50 cents a mile or 60 cents a mile. If a job is 100 miles round trip, we'll go 100 times 60 cents, and that gives you a $60 cost for this piece of equipment. So this is different than hourly, which is going to multiply this rate by the number of hours that you're on the job. And this is going to charge just for mileage and not for on-job time. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching.